shot a buck. We're gonna go take a look and see where he is. We've let it sit about, I don't know, about a half an hour. But now I think it's safe enough to go in.
It looks like he fell down right over there. It doesn't look like there's going to be a long track.
No. Let me see if I find my blood. Oh, wow. I actually think I see him. I don't even need to find blood. He's like right there.
Where?
Can you see through the thing? I just see like white.
Oh, yeah, I see some white, I think.
I see a white belly.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Do you see him?
I see him, but that's it. I'm just gonna get a stick to
Oh, yeah, yeah.
just make sure. Oh, there's the blue.
Oh, yeah, look.
Hey guys, there's the book. I shot him with a slug, so we should. He's down. It's
Huh.
my first buck on the homestead.
What does he look like? Oh, it looks like
It's a 6-pointer.
6-pointer.
Oh my god, he's all dangled up in here. Look at that. Oh my word. Holy. It's actually my first really good buck. Well, it's really good to me. To the stand, we've only been in there for maybe about half hour, 40 minutes. He came out to some doe bleats. I shot him maybe 30 yards. And he ran maybe 50. This is awesome. Well, again, now the hard work begins. Let's get this guy out of here. So excited. It's my first buck on the homestead.